Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do another Stockx sneaker review. So let's see the new sneakers that I bought and let's get into the video. So I just recently decided to make a Stockx purchase. I haven't bought in shoes all year. Can you believe that, guys? All year I haven't bought in no shoes. I've been trying to be really good and try and get over the shoe obsession that I have. So I haven't bought any sneakers. Buy shoes, but not sneakers. Last shoe that I bought was my old Stockx video, my last Stockx video, which was the metallic ones. If you guys want to go check that one out. But I have been really good. So I decided that a lot of the Jordans that were coming out this year weren't really catching my eye, but the Dunks are the new it shoe. So I'm not a hype beast or anything, but honestly this is my first pair of Dunks and I'm hyped about it. I know this is so bad that it's my first pair of Dunks, but I wasn't seeing them on the racks back then in Foot Locker, so don't come for me. I'm into fashion and trends, so it's only right to get a pair of Dunks. I know I'm kind of like late on the trend with the new hype thing right now, so don't come for me. Deep down I've been wanting the Brazil Dunks from like last year, and it's so hard to find. Right now Stockx has them for like a OD price where I wouldn't pay for Dunks for $600. But I've been looking around in my city and I can't find my size, so I'm just kind of like weighing it out and winging it out and might just close my eyes and just do the Stockx price. But I've been having my eyes on the Michigan lows because it has the same like vibe with the bright yellow. So I was like, okay, they came out June 6th, maybe about a month ago, and I've been having my eyes on them, but the thing is, I didn't see them in stores. For us in here in Canada, we don't have the sneakers app, so I don't get any connects to like what's coming out. I probably just have to go off of my luck and find like a 1-2 stores that might have them. So I was out of luck, so when I looked at Stockx prices, because you know Stockx is my go-to now, I looked and instead of men's sizing they had grade school, so I was like perfect, and the price was only $200, so I already sold. You know, I was not here for paying $400 for a shoe that is $100. It takes a lot in me. Maybe the Brazils I might change my mind, but for these I'm cool on the price. I'm happy about my purchase. So the Michigan Dunk lows are some new heat that are added to my closet. They're grade school, size 6. I paid $201 for them on Stockx. So yeah, I paid $201, and now Stockx has this new thing where they're not taxing us here in Canada, because I had some big issues with Stockx in the past where I said I was never going to order from them unless I was sending it to the US, because my other purchases I had to pay like crazy amount of duties. Like my Jordan 4s, I had to pay like almost $300 in duties. I was automatically done with Stockx and I didn't want to like deal with them anymore. I just wanted to kind of find like any local shoe plugs. So they do this new thing now where people here in Canada, we get a buy now and we don't have to pay the duties, because they were shipping with like DHL, the worst shipping company ever, because anything that is DHL and then it comes from a international shipping, there's duties involved. We were kind of like over it over here with Stockx. So I'm glad that they fixed up, and now the processing fee was only $20. No, the processing fee was $6, shipping was $19, and then the tax was $30. So the total came up to $256, which is not bad, because before I would have to be paying this plus another $100 on top of that, which is like not worth it. So I'm glad about these. The shipping was pretty fast. I waited like a couple, maybe 3 days for them to ship it to Stockx to get verified, and another 2 days once Stockx got it in their hands. It's not no long crazy shipping time, so I was happy about that. Now let's get into the unboxing of the shoe, because I'm doing a lot of talking. I am so excited about these shoes, guys. Like, show you guys, because okay, so it comes with this Stockx card, the receipt on how much I paid, and like this Stockx sticker. So this is nice, you know, a little packaging. Oh my gosh. They're perfect. They're so cute. Oh my god. And like they have like some orange Nike in the thing there, but overall they're so cute. You know, gotta have that StockX verification. Always, we don't do the fakes out here. So I am so excited to try these on. Okay, maybe I should try them on. I'm like low-key hyped to try them on, but I'm gonna have to like unlace them. So I love like the detailing here. This is my first dunk, so it just feels like a low-cut Jordan 1 in my opinion. I hope everything goes okay with the sizing because, you know, it's a grade school. I usually wear a 6 in everything grade school, so I shouldn't have an issue. They're just like gonna fit like Air Forces. They're just a little bit more thinner. I have some crazy fall fits in my head for these, and I just can't wait to pull these out. But also I can wear them in the summer. Like I have so many summer ideas with this. The pops of color really help it because I was a kind of little nervous about the navy blue, but the navy blue is kind of giving off like a very dark black, so I know I can pull these off in a sick way. I am obsessed. The whole silhouette and everything of it is really nice. The leather is a little bit on the more rougher side, but it's Dunks. It's $100. What do you expect from Nike? You know, but overall, fire shoe. The color, everything. I don't look for comfort. I look for style. So that's that. I'm excited. I got my hands on a pair of Dunks. This new shoe store just opened up in Toronto called Size, so I know I'm going to get my hands on some new heat coming up. So for now, I'm happy that these ended up being my first pair of Dunks. I'm not sure as to why the pricing is lower than most. I don't know if it's a heightened thing or it's just like a less of a heightened shoe. But in my opinion, I don't care about the hype. These are fire. These are probably one of the top ones that I've seen that came out this year. So anybody who missed out, you guys are missing out. I would, for my ladies, the grade school, this is what we need. Like, we need a sneaker that owns up to its like fitting, you know. I'm tired of buying men's shoes. Like, I don't want to buy men's prices. Kid sizing is where it's at, and I save way more. Smell, but it's been so long since I got some new kicks. You can tell I am overly excited. Stockx, I'm glad that you guys realized Canada needs love too. So shout out to you guys. Shout out to all you guys who support me with my sneaker hauls. So thank you guys for watching this. If you want to see more sneaker videos from me, comment down below and let's get the subscribers up, and I'll get back to you with more sneaker videos. Thank you guys for watching.